Well, I'm here at the ADA stand at NAB 2019, and I've got Tim with me. Hi, Tim.
How are you?
Yeah, very good. So what are we talking about this year at NAB?
Yeah, we are very excited to be launching and introducing the market to the latest and greatest addition to our Adderlink Infinity IP-based KVM solution. A lot of people are familiar with this. It's been one of our top selling, really our flagship product for the past 6-7 years. But this year, we are introducing 4K over IP. So a lot of people are familiar with our Infinity, being able to do all the things that it can do, HD over gigabit Ethernet. The 4000 series here is allowing us to do dual head. It's the first to market dual head 4K over a single 10 gig fiber. The beauty of this is not only does it support pixel perfect 4K resolution, all of the traditional USB support that people come to expect out of the Infinity product line, but the great part is that it doesn't require customers to do shall I say, the rip and replace. You can seamlessly integrate this into your existing Adderlink Infinity installation, so it becomes a great win-win product, especially for NAB customers here in the broadcast post-production markets.
And obviously in post-production and such environments, latency is a big issue here, so guessing it's pretty low?
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, we're talking as near real time as one can get. Yeah. The laws of physics dictate that you can't do IP in true real time, but it's a non-noticeable. Customers are going to come through here and look at this and be able to put this into any of their production flows.
Fantastic. Well, this is the first time we've seen it here at NAB. What's the availability of this unit?
This product, we're launching it here. Our sales team will have demo units available here by end of April, and looking at general availability by mid-June, or mid-July, sorry.
Thanks, Tim. Now, if people obviously haven't been able to come and see you here at NAB and they want to find out more information about your full range, and especially the Infinity 4000, is there a website they can go to?
Of course there is, yes. Anybody can come to www.adder.com.
Tim, thank you very much. Well, there you go. Have a look at the Infinity 4000. It's all on their website. And don't forget to check out everything else that we're doing here at NAB 2019 on our website, kitplus.com.